Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to #InstaFood. Today we're making sweet truffle hot wings. Let's get into it. So we're going to be using an air fryer for our wingdings today, and in order to achieve the perfect crispy crunchy wing, we are using baking powder, salt, and pepper. Now when baking powder and salt are on the chicken skin, it dries the chicken out, making it super crunchy, super crispy. Transfer to a tray once everything is combined and let it refrigerate for about an hour. Once it's done, transfer it over to your air fryer, okay? And so one of the things about air fryers is that it really depends on the instructions and how powerful yours is. So follow your instructions and it'll tell you how long to cook wingdings. Mine said 10 minutes. So we are going to get into our sauce now. So add your butter, your hot sauce, truffle hot sauce, honey, lemon juice, lemon zest, salt and pepper, and you want to mix until the butter has melted and everything is nice and incorporated with each other. See, I want to slow it down for you so you can see. This is the consistency you want to go with right here. Once it gets to this consistency, lower the temperature and check on your wings. So it looks like nothing happened in here, right? But these wings at this stage are super crispy, but obviously we want them to be golden brown and we want them to obviously cook through. So put it in there for an additional 15 minutes and look at that, golden brown. And we didn't even use any oil in this. I mean, it's incredible. Virtually no sticking at all in this basket. Transfer to a bowl and pour over this amazing sauce and toss or grab a spoon like I'm getting ready to do and just make sure all the wings is evenly coated with this delicious sauce. And I'm going to be garnishing mine with some Fennel Fronds. I think the Fennel Fronds have that delicious licorice flavor. That's the perfect contrast with that spicy sauce that we have here. I hope you enjoy these wings as much as I do. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell. For more information about this recipe, log on to cookinginkyrie'skitchen.com. I love you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.